Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let me show you two different ways of blocking the number. First of all, I'll show you how to block a number which you've got currently saved on your contact list, and after that I'll show you more manual way to do that. So let's open your contact list first of all, for example with the usage of the dialer, and now find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. After tapping, find the three dots icon in the right lower corner, so this more option, and tap on block contact. And as you can see, your device will show you the information that this number has been blocked, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. Of course, if you want, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on remove from blacklist, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist, which will enter in our second way of blocking the number. So now it is important to be on the phone. So open the dialer, the keypad, and now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on blocked. As you can see, we will enter those rules for call block and message block rules. Of course, you can customize them. So for example, you can decide that you will block all incoming calls, the numbers, the unknown numbers. It's up to you, really. All we have to do right now is to enter the settings, which are again in the right upper corner, and here we've got our blacklist. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got this number blocked, all of the numbers which were assigned to this contact, so everything worked perfectly fine. And here we've got another option of blocking. Simply tap on this plus icon, add, and here we can add from messages, from call log, from contacts. This way is a little bit different because here you can block a lot of contacts in a row. So if you've got a lot of them to block, you do not have to do it manually, just choose them from the list and block them with one click. You can block prefix or add manually, and here you can simply enter the number and tap on OK, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Of course, we've got also the information about the blocked calls and blocked messages from the specific number. We can also unblock the numbers, just by tapping and holding it, so we can enter another section, and now we can mark those which we want to unblock and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see, the blacklist is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.